Introducing the JourneyXTR router. In this video, we'll go through the unboxing, the setup, and the activation process. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box. Inside of the box, you're going to find the quick start guide, some of our TravlFi data plans. Next, you're going to see the XTR router itself, an Ethernet cable, 2 LTE antennas, and 4 Wi-Fi antennas. And lastly, an AC power adapter. The JourneyXTR router utilizes eSIM technology to deliver multi-network 4G coverage. The router supports up to 32 users, has detachable antennas, dual-band Wi-Fi, and 4 Ethernet ports. Before powering on, you want to connect the antennas. On the front, you're going to connect the LTE antennas, and on the back, the Wi-Fi antennas. On the front of the device, you'll find the power input, a reset button, a WAN port, 4 LAN ports, and your indicator lights. Activating the XTR is easy. You can either scan the QR code on top of the device or call our toll-free number located here. Once at the TravlFi portal, if you already have a username, you can enter it here. Otherwise, go and register a new account, enter your details, hit register. After you scan your QR code, your device serial number will be entered. Then go ahead and pick your TravlFi data plan, enter your payment information, agree to the terms and conditions, and hit activate your device. After your device has been activated, you're going to want to power on the device. To do so, plug in the provided AC power supply, plug it in, and wait for the lights to stabilize. Once the lights have stabilized, you can now connect to your Wi-Fi. To do that, turn the device over, look for the network name, and then put in your password, and you're all set. Now that your device has been activated, if you run into any issues such as slow speeds, you can try moving the router near a window. If you have no connection whatsoever, try rebooting the device. And if you have any other issues, feel free to call our customer support team. We'd be happy to help.